In this video, we will be replacing the inner taillight incandescent bulbs in this 2015 Honda Accord with all new LED lights from Ayla Lighting. For this installation, you will need a trim puller tool or a flathead screwdriver. We will start in the trunk where you can access the inner taillight bulbs. The inner taillight bulbs are located here in the trunk hood. There are 2 retainer clips holding in the liner, but you probably only need to remove the top one. We'll clamp the liner out of the way for easy access. Removing the inner taillight socket is pretty easy. You need to turn it counterclockwise to unlock it. Pay attention to the orientation of the socket. This will help you when you reinstall it. Grab the bulb in one hand while holding the socket in your other hand and pull the bulb straight out. Now that we have it out, let's compare the old incandescent bulb to the new LED we're installing. You can see that the LED is slightly longer than the incandescent, but we've checked this application before choosing the bulb, so we know there's enough space for it to fit. Also, the base is an exact match, making it plug-and-play easy. Installing the LED bulb is simple. Hold the socket in one hand and push the base of the LED into the socket until it is secure. Note the tabs and install the socket. Rotate the socket clockwise to lock it in. We'll test it before putting it all back together. It matches the outer LED taillight we replaced perfectly. So we'll go ahead and replace the liner and begin the install on the passenger side. We will follow the same steps as the driver's side. We'll first remove the retaining clips and move the liner out of the way. Unlock the socket by turning it counterclockwise. Remove the socket and pull the bulb straight out. Push the LED into the socket and replace it back into the housing, being sure you have lined up the locking tabs. Lock it in by turning it clockwise. Now test both sides, and then you can replace the trunk liner like you had done on the driver's side. And that's it. The installation is complete. Let's take a look at what these new LED bulbs look like. You can see they're much brighter than the stock halogen bulbs. And look at how much light these throw out when we park it next to the wall. These new bulbs are truly
safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting,